Yes. 안녕하겠어요. 여러분. 좋아요와 GM traders. Hope you're well. I am too well. I too am well. Yeah, let's get this analysis out of the way. So today is on Wednesday, and yeah, can you believe that there are only 2 days remaining for the end of the week? Interesting. Yeah, looking over to our charts, what are we seeing? We are seeing the sell-off. Even before we continue, let's have a look at the news. We're seeing at 9 a.m. we'll be having the GPB CPI news coming in hot, as indicated by the red folder, high impact expected. At around 9 p.m. we'll be having FOMC meeting minutes. Oh, interesting. So today I'm expecting to have a very slow, not that pretty much big moves in markets because of these meetings. Federal Open Meeting Committee that will be held at 9 p.m. will be asleep. We are seeing the issue effect, more cash than expected. It's good for currency. Okay, over to our technical analysis. Moving over from the daily, start off by marking off the buy side and the sell side liquidity of the previous day, and then we come in looking at the structure, and we're seeing we are in an overall bearish trend on this leg over here. No liquidity that has been taken out of this of this day. Neither the sell side or the buy side liquidity has been taken out. We are on the discount level, supposedly. Yeah, we are trading at the discount level, but we have not taken any liquidity. We go over to the 4 hour, and we're seeing sell orange entry has been created from this area over here, from this demand, and we are seeing what? We are seeing also an orange entry was created at this particular point, and at resistance session it was tapped, but the market melted to the downside, and when it was melting to the downside we did not see it taking out the sell. So we are having a possibility for this market to push to the upside. That is what I'm seeing. Over to the 1 hour chart. Over to the 1 hour chart, we are seeing the creation of this supply, which is really tell us whether the market is good or not. Yeah, love the way the market is moving, and for me to take a buy, you see we need this to be taken care of, this one to be taken care of, and this one to be taken care of, and then we have a push to the upside. In short, we need a lot of structure change in the market so that we can confirm that we are indeed in a bullish off. But as we can see from the daily, we are selling. Yes, over to the 30 minutes. So looking at this, we don't have anything, we don't have a 3 control that has been established from this particular point, not yet confirmed. Yeah, over to the 30 minutes. Over the 30 minutes, we are seeing the break of this particular supply, this particular demand, I mean, and that is indeed good. Yeah, so we are seeing the break of this demand, or the break of this demand. So we see the establishment of this supply, which I am not really into it, since it is huge, so huge. So what happens when the supply or an OB is this huge is that we may not see it holding price as it is supposed to. If this one was supposed to hold the price down, we may see it being run through, but all in all remains 3 control being established from this particular point will facilitate me to short the price to this particular point, where we may see the price reversing to the upside, since this will be the second tap from the initial tap yesterday during New York session, and I'm anticipating for this move market coming to this particular point, but I will need confirmation on the lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes. Yeah, switching over to the Switching over to the 15 minutes time frame, you're seeing that the market is really struggling at this particular point, and this OB is the one that is holding price from being sold off to the downside. We are saying that we had established an orange entry here, but it is invalid since of the supply over here. We will need the break of this supply for the retest and continue the upside. But that is a very, very gruesome journey that we need to wait for. So looking over the charts, we are noticing something else. This trendline liquidity that was being formed from yesterday New York session, price was coming and getting support at this point until during Asian session, and it was broken, but we have not seen the liquidity being grabbed. That's why I'm anticipating for this market coming at this particular point, maybe at 9 a.m. and push to some particular point like that, but I'll need a confirmation at 5 minutes. Looking over the 5 minutes, what are we seeing? Over the 5 minutes, we are seeing what we were talking about. We are seeing the trendline liquidity beautifully at this, as it was supporting price. Also the buy side and the sell side liquidity of the Asian session. The sell side is continually forming since the market is selling. Yeah, so for me to take a buy, I will need something to happen in the markets. Yeah, these will be visible at the 5 minutes, so yeah, because of this particular area over here. So let's switch to the 5 minutes real quick, and what do we see? We are seeing but watch out for the textbook. Market may start off by taking out the sell side liquidity, and we may come to this particular point, do something like that, and something like that, push to downside. That is what I'm watching for, and that's what's up for the analysis for today. I am not really looking to switch over to these 4 of them, but that's the simple analysis for today, and see you today in the evening in the journal channel, and I hope you have a blast, man. Remembering, do not break your own rules. Also, try as much as possible to be in sync with your strategy, since that is the one that is going to help you. Yesterday I messed up a little bit, but I managed to recover because I discovered that I was not in sync with my strategy. So the moment I discovered that I was not syncing in strategy, I came back, switched and came back, synced in the strategy, took a trade that recovered a loss that I had earlier during the London session. Yeah, that's what's up, and I'll see you in the journal today.